Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how you can trade on Luno. So this is my Luno account. So this is the chart here. So I'm just going to show you how you can sell on Luno. But I'm trading Litecoin. So here are some of the Bitcoin you. Okay, so these are the different coins you can trade. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So I'm going to trade Litecoin right now. So I'm gonna click on Litecoin. So Litecoin, now I have already bought Litecoin. So it's about 44 rand that I have now. So I'm going to sell it. So I'm going to go sell that one. So I click on sell. Then I put that amount. So there it is right there. So we're going to sell there without any fees. So we're just gonna click sell and our mission is done.